When we're taking the antiderivative of a rational expression, one of the things we want to check is the degree. If the degree of the numerator is greater than or equal to the degree of the denominator, one thing we can do is polynomial division to see if we can get something easier to work with. So let's do a little bit of polynomial division. Now if you need more practice with this, there's videos on YouTube that will help you. Well, basically we're dividing x cubed by x squared plus 4. So we set it up just like a regular division problem. And it doesn't take too long, actually. What we do is we want to multiply this term, the x squared, by whatever we need to make it the same as this term, so they'll cancel. So in this case, that's going to be x. So x times x squared is my x cubed. X times 4 is a plus 4x. Now, just like in long division, we subtract going down. That's what cancels these terms out. Now, you got to remember, it's as if there's a 0 here, so 0 minus 4x gives a negative 4x. That's essentially our remainder. What we do is we use the remainder theorem, though, that says that this rational expression is equal to x plus its remainder, negative 4x, over x squared plus 4 dx. So these are the same. What we're going to do is we're going to break this one up piece by piece. So we're going to look at the antiderivative of x dx, which is a nice easy one for us, plus the antiderivative of, I'm going to go ahead and pull out the negative 4 x over x squared plus 4 dx. Actually, that's not too bad. That'll be a u sub. So for this one, we're going to let u equal x squared plus 4. So du is 2x dx. So I may have pulled out a little bit too much because I'm going to put a 2 back in there. Compensate that by dividing by 2 outside. This one is pretty nice and slick. It's just x squared over 2 plus c, which we'll save because we're going to get one from here. So negative 4 over 2 is negative 2. And this integral is just going to become, right here, is our du. So it's du over u. The antiderivative of that is ln. So we have x squared over 2 minus 2 natural log of the absolute value of u plus c. We do need to substitute that back, and then we'll be finished. So x squared over 2 minus 2 times the natural log of x squared plus 4 plus c. And you may notice that I've dropped the absolute value signs. Well, x squared plus 4 will always be positive, so I don't really need them here.